Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen print function. So in today's video we are going to see what are comments in Python and why do we use comments. But before getting started with comments, let's do one thing. So here I have created this file thorny_demo. So I will just rename it. So I will say print underscore in underscore Python, and this was our number one code. Okay, so I have just renamed it and click on yes, and here I will just yeah, we have renamed. So we will go over here in a file. Okay, let me see where can we zoom this thorny or not so you can view properly. I think we don't have any option to zoom the thorny, so okay, no problem. So I'll go to files, new, and press Ctrl S over here, and I will say 2 dot comments in Python. And don't worry about this code. I will just upload this code on GitHub and provide you the link in description box below. Okay, so just save, and you can see we have created this file, comments in Python.py file. Okay, now why do we use comment? So comment, we use comment to explain the code. Like, let's take an example. You are developing one functionality, any one functionality for any software. Okay, and your colleague is going to create second functionality, and you want to tell him that what is this code and why do we uh, uh, why I have written this code. Okay, so in order to explain him you need to write the code. So you need to write comments, not code. Okay, so my bad. And there are two types of comments. One is multi-line and another is single line comment. Okay, and yes, another thing, when you compile the code, the comments are being ignored by Python automatically, and because that is just used to convey a message that what is this code about. Okay, and writing more comment is also not good habit. Okay, so you need to take care of everything. So I will explain you. Let's say I am giving one variable a is equals to 10. Okay, and I want to write single line comment. Then you can write single line comment by hash, and you can say this is to print the value in print function. Okay, and here below I will say print, and I will write a over here. Okay, and multi-line comment is done by three single quotes. It will start with three single quotes and it will end with three single quotes. Okay, in between these whatever message you will type will be multi-line comment. You can add one line of comment also, and you can add two line of comment also. I am just copy pasting this line just to explain you. You can write anything with multi-line, no, not an issue. Okay, so I will just save this code and I will press on debug. So you can see first it has recognized this comment. I will go to next step, and this is now comment. You can see next step, it will just read all the lines. Then this fifth line is empty, so it directly jumped to sixth line. This fifth line is empty. Then it will find the variable and assign that variable to a, and it will basically print over here. You can see none of the comment has been printed. So comment is just to explain the another user code. Okay, So yeah, this is it for the comments. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.